Hi, I'm Thomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. Today I'm going to show you an interesting chord called a G7 sharp 5. Let me show you the chord and then I'll talk more about it. By the way, this is probably one of the most common fingerings, certainly not the only one, but this is a good place to start. So not the most beautiful sounding chord by itself, but it's kind of like putting a spice in a soup. By itself, it might taste pungent, but in the soup, it adds just enough character to do the job and make the soup interesting and add to the flavor. In this case, it's often a passing chord, a chord on the way to another chord. So I'll show you an example going from G13 to G7 sharp 5, and I'll end on a C major 9. Listen. So when passing, it serves a really nice function to create tension and then resolution. So here's the fingering for that chord. First finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string. Second finger over there on the 4th string, 3rd fret. Then I've got my 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and the pinky next to it on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Now you notice I'm not actually playing the 1st string or the 5th string. Even if I strum it, it still doesn't sound. That's because I'm muting the 1st string and the 5th string. I'm using my pinky to angle down and touch the 1st string, and I'm using my 1st finger to angle slightly and touch the 5th string. Of course, if I'm plucking with my right hand fingers, I don't need to worry about that. So the best way to really learn this chord is to first, of course, get used to fingering it. Just finger the chord and take your fingers off. Do that for a little bit and then put it into a progression so you get used to both moving from one chord to another and hearing that sound. And I've created a video with a progression that uses this chord. I'll go ahead and put a link to that right here.